those are. So to get the most out of the solo travel experience, we might want to first surrender, accept the things we cannot control, and be present. Ichigo Ichie, it's how they call it in Japan, and about being present, being where you are. The second thing, which I think is very important when we travel solo, is this outward attention, not just to be safe, but also to really immerse in the life around us and stop dwelling on our internal world. Because like my mentor in Japanese psychology says sometimes, when you stop thinking about your depression or about your anxiety, you are not anxious. Maybe anxiety is a better example. Like when we stop being in the past or in the present, we are actually, past and future, and we are actually present. We very rarely are anxious. And it's so easy. That's what we love in Japanese psychology. And we decided to use it as an inspiration for our program because it's so easy. It's so approachable and for free. So outward attention, unplugging, setting an autoresponder, delete apps from your devices, at least for a travel experience. Maybe you want to keep the WhatsApp or something for just to communicate with your loved ones and friends. But I really recommend doing that. I'm sure many of you do that often. Third thing, mindfulness. So not just yoga, not just meditation, tai chi, etc., which are absolutely beneficial, but also really going slow. I know a lot of people, myself included, that find joy and fulfillment in doing things fast, in accomplishing, in running through hikes. But like when I really go slow, this is where I really rest, and I really find answers to many of my questions, and etc. etc. So slow is the new fast. Then let's be grateful. Let's try to get rid of the habit of complaining, especially when we travel solo to these culturally foreign places. It's very easy to complain that things do not work the way we are used to. The pizza is not on the menu, etc. So the gratitude, the readiness to let go of control. Like during the Japanese psychology certification program, one of the exercises we did was completely letting go of control. So for example, there was a meal and we had no right to choose what we will eat. We would have to allow others to choose the food for us, and also the portions, etc. It's a very difficult one, but like this letting go of control and surrendering is a beautiful thing to learn, because we tend to over control, which causes us a lot of stress. Again, very simple one, everybody knows about it, but picking up the basics of the local language. It goes, as you know, it goes such an extra mile. It just brings so much more love and kindness and immersion into local life when we just are able to say thank you, hello. I mean, you know it all, but I always do it, and I'm always very happy that I do. And also, yeah, less self-focused. So instead of just like thinking about our life and why this happened, what I'm gonna do in the future, just let yourself immerse, talk to people, even if you don't feel like it. Go out with locals, especially if you have an idea. There's a platform such as Get Your Guide, where local people advertise their tours, etc. And I've been only hearing, and also I've been also using them sometimes. I only had the best experience with those. So less self-focused, be out there, surrender, accept what's happening, pay attention outwardly, be mindful, be slow, be grateful, and pick up this language so that you can communicate with locals. I mean, I think everybody would agree